How to fix brightness on iPhone. Hey everyone, is your iPhone screen too dim or too bright? Even when you adjust the brightness slider, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to fix brightness issue on iPhone. Step by step, let's get started. First, let's check if auto brightness is messing with your display. Here how to turn it off and on. First, open the settings. Go to accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Scroll down and toggle auto brightness off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. These features adjust brightness based on your surrounding, but something is glitch. Toggling it off and on can reset it. Next, let's tweak true tone and night shift setting. Go back to your setting. Tap on display and brightness. Toggle true tone up and on. Now check night shift. This changes the screen color based on the time of day. Try turning it off to see if it fixes your brightness issue. Simple, right? Restarting your device. Minor software bugs that can cause brightness problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.